In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Adobe Illustrator. Grouping objects can greatly enhance your workflow, allowing you to easily manipulate multiple elements in your design all at once. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If it's your first time using this program, you'll find that it's a powerful tool for creating all sorts of visual content, from logos and icons to intricate illustrations. Once Illustrator is launched, make sure you have your document open with the objects you'd like to group. Next, look for the Selection tool in the toolbar, typically located on the left side of the screen. You can identify this tool by its black arrow icon. The Selection tool is essential for selecting and manipulating objects in your document, and it's the primary way we'll be interacting with our design elements today. Now, you'll want to highlight the objects you wish to group together. You can do this by clicking on each object individually while holding down the Shift key, allowing you to select multiple objects at once. Alternatively, you can click and drag around the objects with the Selection tool to highlight them all in one go. This selection process is crucial, as it tells Illustrator exactly which elements you're focusing on for grouping. With your objects selected, it's time to group them. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+G if you're using a Windows computer. If you're on a Mac, the command is Command+G. This simple shortcut is the key to grouping objects in Illustrator. Once grouped, you'll notice that these selected objects now act as a single unit. You can move, transform, or even apply effects to the entire group, which significantly streamlines your design process. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to group objects in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering this technique will undoubtedly save you time and make your projects more organized. Remember, if you ever need to ungroup the objects, you can easily do so by selecting the group and pressing Shift+Ctrl+G on Windows or Shift+Command+G on a Mac. Thank you for watching, and happy designing. Keep experimenting with your selections and groupings to see just how versatile your designs can become with the power of grouping in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.